A lot of you guys have been asking, Infamous Joel, what are you doing for 2024? But I want to ask you something. What kind of a lunatic would write out this many notebooks full of information on online businesses? What kind of a crazy person would do this? The answer to that is me. Me when I was spending 7 years in prison, cleaning myself up, having all kinds of regrets, but forgiving myself and just preparing a plan so when that I got out, I had something to look forward to. I had something to lean on. Now, why is all that information important? I'm going to get to it by breaking down my step-by-step plan for 2024. I'm the infamous Joel, and your boss hates me because I show you how to live a life of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And if you're infamous too, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Now let's go. Now, a lot of you who've been following the channel for a while know that 2023 was all about my flagship program, the Affiliate Franchise. And a lot of you have also seen that I won the 2 Comma Club Award by building that program. In 10 months, we made it to $1 million with that program, and now counting. We're in the multiple $1 million now. But here's the thing about the Affiliate Franchise. There doesn't seem to be a lot of clarity around what it is. The Affiliate Franchise, as the name implies, is like a franchise. It's not legally a franchise because that takes a lot of paperwork and all that stuff. But basically, it's for the very, very busy professional working person, desk job type person. We have in there doctors, lawyers, construction company owners, like all these super important people. You know, I don't want to say it that way, but all these people who are like of the white collar variety who like affiliate marketing, see affiliate marketing videos on YouTube and different places, but my God, the amount of information that they have to put together and learn and figure out on their own, it's way too much on their plate. So they hire us at the Affiliate Franchise to essentially just build the business for them. They just don't have the time. And because of that, we have a big staff. Because of that, we have a lot of support. I work with them one-on-one to show them the different strategies and things like that and help them get set up. It's just about as close to set it and forget it as you can get with an affiliate marketing type of offer. There's a lot of courses out there. There's a lot of learn it yourself. We're a do it for you kind of business, the Affiliate Franchise, okay? So that being said, over the entire course of the year, it didn't seem like it was very clear because a lot of people were booking calls with us and writing out surveys and applying and saying like, oh, I really want to learn affiliate marketing. I'm following a YouTube channel. We've had a lot of people apply who just want to learn affiliate marketing, and it was like, well, this isn't really a learning platform. We didn't create the Affiliate Franchise as like an educational offer. It's more of a done for you service, right? So for 2024, I thought it would be a great idea, and I thought maybe I saw the disconnect here. The disconnect is, yes, there's a lot of information on YouTube and my channel included. The problem is it's not organized. So for 2024, we unleashed this new program called the Infamous Mob, just the Infamous Mob. It's a community-based program, and it is an education platform. It is a place that, look, if you have a lot of free time, oftentimes you either have more money or you have more time. And this is for the audience, for the people out there who have more time, right? You don't have a whole lot of money. You're working your, normal job like most of Americans, kind of going paycheck to paycheck and all that stuff. And you feel like, hey, I have some time. I can learn this affiliate marketing thing and get myself out of the rat race. I want to be very clear. This program is not overnight success. There is no such thing as that program. So we've made it a month-to-month membership basis. Month over month, you're going to get the support, you're going to get the game plan, you're going to get everything that you need to become successful. It is on you 110%. So champions only. None of those people who make excuses, oh, it doesn't work. We don't teach like gimmicks and tactics and push a button and all that. We teach real affiliate marketing with real skills, with real knowledge, with real things that you have to learn to become a successful person in any field, but definitely as an affiliate marketer, okay? So that being said, that's what I'm doing for 2024. We're releasing a new program. It's already open. We already have a bunch of people in there. You can click down below, sign up for the Infamous Mob. It is all the information that I use to go from prison inmate. Then I had a little side job myself. When I came home, I had a forklift driver job, and I didn't have a whole lot of money either. So I had to work my way up the hard way. It took me 8 months to see my first commission. It will not take you that long, okay, because I had no guidance and I had no help, but it will give you the roadmap. And if you take guidance and you take accountability and be very studious, it will work for you. It just takes more time. So Affiliate Franchise, You have no time, we're going to get you, boom, we're going to get you up and running. People in the program see results in just a few weeks, like right away. Now, the infamous mob, it probably will take longer because you're doing it all on your own. However, we will support you and we'll give you guidance and we'll give you a clear roadmap with organized information, point by point, step by step, not just this spread out information all over YouTube and Google, ripping your hair out with all the overwhelm and the confusion. Oh, I don't know where to start. I don't know what to do. We give you the start to the middle to the finish inside the infamous mob. So we take care of that problem. I'm the infamous Joel. Sign up for the infamous mob if it's for you. If you have no time, sign up for the affiliate franchise. Let us build it all for you and work with me one-on-one. I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.